one of the things I love about the AR platform is how versatile it is. And so what I wanted to show you today was just how easy it is to convert this from a standard 5.56 rifle to a 22 long rifle using a conversion kit from CMMG. So here you have your standard 5.56 round, and all we need to do clear the gun, and we'll pop the bolt carrier out and replace it with this. Here's the standard Magpul PMag, and instead of it, we're going to use this one is by X-Form. It's the well, I'm sorry, it's by Blackdog, and I think it's the X-Form magazine. I don't know. Everybody just calls them Blackdogs. That's how I refer to them. And so with that magazine and the bolt carrier changed out, we're going to shoot some 22 long rifle. Just like that. Let's take a look. The great thing about this, take my ears off. The great thing about this is that you can use your existing rifle with your existing optics. At short ranges, the optics hold true. I'm hitting about where my 5.56 hits. So at short distances, it's a good way to practice. There's literally no kick. I hear more from the buffer tube than I do the actual round going off. So, you know, it's going to have the same weaknesses that any 22 long rifle gun does. It's not the most reliable, but you know, when 22 is in stock, and it is in stock if you watch for it on the right websites, you know, ping me if you need some tips on how to do that. I've got thousands of 22 shells in the last 6 months, thousands upon thousands of them. You just have to be vigilant and order them online. It's a great practice modification to your rifle, and just a heck of a lot of fun. So that's it from nearly December here in Samora, North Carolina. It's about 55 degrees out, and man, what a great day to be alive.